Personal Shopper allows you to place orders on behalf of your preferred clients. Before you can begin shopping for someone, they'll need to opt in. You invite them to opt in through your account dashboard. Once you've logged into your website, scroll down to the bottom of your dashboard page to become a personal shopper. Click Copy Link to copy the invitation link and send it to your preferred client via text, or generate an email by clicking on the Send Email button, then selecting one or multiple preferred clients. You can either scroll through the PCs or search by name or CID. When the preferred client receives the email invitation, this is what they will see. Instruct them to scroll to the bottom of the email and click Enroll Now. Whether you emailed your preferred client or sent them the copied link, they will be taken to this screen where they can review and accept the terms and conditions of the Personal Shopper program. Your preferred client can also opt in within their own account settings. After they log in and click into My Account, they can select Personal Shopper settings to review the benefits of the program, click on Sign Me Up to opt in, or click Cancel to opt out of the program completely. To begin shopping for a PC, click on your profile image in the top right-hand corner next to your shopping bag and select Enter Personal Shopper, and then select the preferred client you want to shop for by clicking Shop For next to that client's name. You'll see that a green bar appears at the top of the page reminding you that you are in Personal Shopper mode and who you are shopping for. If you'd like to change the preferred client you are shopping for, you can select Change next to the client's name in the green Personal Shopper bar. You can place items into the cart by navigating through the menu or by clicking the magnifying glass and searching for a specific product. Then click the shopping bag in the top right-hand corner to review the order and check out. You're acting as your preferred client, so if they had items sitting in their shopping bag previously, you will see those in the bag along with the items you've added yourself. Please be sure to only order the products your preferred client consented to purchasing. When the correct items are in the shopping cart, click Check Out. When checking out, you can change the shipping address and add a payment method, but you must have consent from your preferred client before doing so. If your preferred client has a default shipping address and payment method saved to their account, you'll be able to quickly check out by reviewing the order and clicking Check Out. To learn more about the features and benefits of the Personal Shopper program, please reference the Personal Shopper Meet the Program sheet on the source.